Hey there, everybody. Today we are going to wrap up everything that we've practiced and post your YouTube videos to your Google Classroom or post your video however your division has designed their assessments to go out. So, on a daily basis, we can actually schedule these YouTube videos to go to our students at 8 a.m. so that they have the same instructions, essentially, check in at 8 a.m. every day, and everyone's assignments will appear at the same time. If you have not yet watched the video about creating a YouTube channel, I ask you to do that first so that you have a YouTube channel. And then we also have asked you to practice using Screencastify to record your own video, which is the tool that I'm using right now. And we have one more step about posting that video to YouTube. So once you have created a channel, you've recorded yourself talking, and you've posted it to YouTube, now is the final step. This is the easiest step, thank goodness. And all of that work you've done before is going to set you up for the long haul. So before we even begin, congratulations. Now let's get started. We're on YouTube right now. If you want to see the videos that you've posted, at the very top right, you'll see your profile icon. And when you click it, you'll see a bunch of options like your channel and other options here. Let's go to YouTube Studio. This is a feature that YouTubers or people who produce YouTube videos use to keep track of their analytics and their videos and add tags to them. We'll go over all of that another time. On the left-hand side, you're going to see videos. Let's click that. And here you're going to see a whole list of the videos you've published and posted. You'll see some of them are public, some might be unlisted. You can change all of that here. You can edit your videos, but what we want to do is find your video that you want to post to your classroom. So when I find that video, let's say it's this one, I can press the three dots and press Get Shareable Link. What does that do? Well, I'll open a new tab here and show you. If I press paste, on my computer it's Control V. If you have right click, you can right click here and press paste. We just copied a YouTube link. This is a URL. So it's a link to a video that we want to share with other people. It's just like on any other social media or in your emails. When you want to share a video with people or you want to share a website, what we just did when we press the three dots and Get Shareable Link, we're copying the link to your video. So now that I have that link copied, I want to go to my Google Classrooms and paste it. But where do I do that? So I'm going to go into my tech class. Let's say I want to assign this here, and I want to post it. Now, if it's just an announcement where you just want to tell people, hello, welcome back to school, we're doing things with remote learning, you can click right here and just say, hey, students, watch this video. You can write whatever your message is and press paste. If you want to be more official about it, you can press add YouTube and then paste your video right here and search for it. Here it is. I'm going to click that video. It gets highlighted blue. And then, sorry, I have to keep moving this picture around. I can press add. So this video is now linked to this assignment. I'm sorry, to this announcement, not an assignment. If I want to post it right now, I could hit post. But what I would recommend you do, and for Greenwich Country Day folks, we are going to tell you that you should post these with a schedule. I'll press this arrow right here. I'm going to show you that again. Right next to post, I'm going to press this arrow and press schedule. So when I've selected schedule, I can choose the day and the time it goes out. So if I've recorded a lesson, today is Sunday, I want it to go out on Monday, I can choose Monday from this drop-down calendar. I can even skip ahead, maybe if I made a lesson a month in advance. And then I can choose the time. I believe this will default to 8 a.m., so I hope you don't have to change this at all. So we want you to schedule your post to go out to your students. That's an announcement. If you're a teacher who uses Google Classroom for collecting graded assignments, so middle school and upper school teachers, please just watch this next option here. In the classwork tab, you can create assignments. Some of you have already done this before. In the classwork tab, we'll press create. and you can choose what kind of assignment it is. I'm going to use the default assignment. We'll give it a name and say homework, for Monday. You can include your instructions, follow the instructions here. You can choose whether you want it to be graded or not. I can add it to a topic. I can give it a due date if I want. I know I have to keep moving this thing around. Oh, and when I wave it, I actually make things disappear. Whew. So we can add those there. You can choose a topic to put this under. This classroom doesn't have any. Forget all of that for now. I press add this clip and do the exact same steps that you just saw before. I click YouTube, I paste my link in here, search for it, click the video and press add. And I'm just linking this video. At the top right where I saw post before, it says assign, but the same steps apply. I press this arrow and schedule. And I get the exact same options here, right? I can choose the date to schedule it, the time, leave that 8 a.m., and press schedule. So I have now given you 2 different ways to post this video into your Google Classroom. I want to congratulate you. You have created a YouTube channel. You're posting your lessons online. You're using Screencastify. You're using Google Classroom, and you're even posting these videos to your classroom and scheduling them for different times. That is no small feat. So give yourself a pat on the back and congratulations again.